Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy wall art piece. You're going to start with some Cork squares. You'll also need some painter's tape and some spray paint. Figure out what parts you want painted, what parts you don't. Tape it off accordingly. Once you have your sections taped off, you want to apply a couple of coats of spray paint. Once the paint's dry, you want to take some push pins and your hot glue gun, and you're just going to hot glue the push pins to the back of your Cork squares. This is how you're going to mount your Cork squares to the wall so that they have a little dimension. If you prefer to keep them flat, then you can do like I did and just use some command strips. And just that simply, you have a really sleek, modern DIY art piece. Let me know how I did, and let me know if you give this one a try.